A warm welcome. Stability Certificate Part 3. Part 4 is merged in this Part 3 itself. Part 3. What is required and what is to be done for obtaining a stability certificate? Please note, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with others to get more knowledge. Standard Operating Procedure SOP, that is for obtaining Building Stability Certificate in Karnataka. Statutory compliance as per Karnataka Factory Rules, that is under Rule 3.8 of Karnataka Factory Rules 1969. It is mandatory that no manufacturing process shall be carried on in any factory constructed, extended or taken into use as a factory unless a certificate of stability in form number 1A is issued by a person possessing a degree in civil engineering or MTech structures or registered chartered engineer under IAI and recognized by the Chief Inspector. A fresh certificate of stability Form 1A must be obtained once in every 5 years from a competent person as stated above for continued operation. Plans and layouts of factory buildings must be prepared by a qualified civil engineer as stated above. Competent persons for issuing stability certificates should also be recognized or eligible under the rules framed by the Chief Inspector, that is form number 1D for recognition. It is applicable for industry buildings. Required documents. Mandatory building records. Building construction commencement certificate CC and completion certificate CC issued by municipal or concerned authorities. Layout plan showing all the existing structures on site. Approved plan, elevation and sectional drawings. Structural working drawings issued during construction. Previous stability certificates if obtained. Previous quality test reports if any. Building maintenance register if maintained. Records of any disaster, example fire or collapse if occurred. Records of corrective and preventive actions taken if any. All these documents are necessary. In addition, safety, maintenance and organizational records. Estate engineering wing staffed with experienced engineers and qualified staff, especially critical for major industries, shall be established. This wing shall perform the duties of safety and maintenance activities or annual maintenance contract, that is AMC, agreement undergone if any, which is applicable for small industries. Then location of any distress, settlement or cracks noticed in the structure or premises shall also be maintained. Procedural steps to be followed. Initiation and planning. The head of the industry or institution shall convene a special meeting to initiate the process for obtaining the building stability certificate. Meeting resolution shall be passed to appoint a qualified licensed structural engineer to carry out the stability evaluation and certification. Obtain a cost estimate from the appointed engineer, including cost for inspection and quality tests to be conducted. Finalize the timeline to complete the certification process. Execution and testing. The owner or The person in charge shall arrange facilities for all necessary quality tests on site to be conducted for concrete, soil reinforcement checks, non-destructive tests, etc. as recommended by the structural engineer. Certification and submission. Obtain the building stability certificate under Form 1A along with a detailed inspection report and quality test results written in compliance with the applicable codes and standards. Ensure the certificate is attested by a competent structural or civil engineer or chartered engineer who meets qualifications required under the Karnataka factory rules applicable for factory buildings. Post certification requirements. Submit the certificate of stability, detailed report and supporting documents to the jurisdictional factory inspector or chief inspector which is applicable for factory buildings. Maintain records for 5 years periodic review and recertification cycle. Ensure that any major changes or expansions are re-evaluated. See that a new stability certificate is obtained before manufacturing activities are commenced. Checklist for audit and inspection. Approved drawings and plans, construction permission, completion certificate, Form 1A stability certificate, qualified engineers appointment record, quality test reports, annual maintenance contract and maintenance records, disaster and corrective and preventive actions records, fire safety documents. These shall be checked while obtaining stability certificate. Please note, the same procedure shall be followed for all the private and institutional buildings to obtain building stability certificate. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with others with a request for a subscription to spread the knowledge. Thank you.